Good morning, everybody. This is my first time going outside after a snowstorm. I think another one's coming later. Jesus Christ, it's cold, bro. Black people didn't come from this, bro. My origin is the equator. I have nothing to do with this. I don't even understand why I'm here. But I'm finna start the car up. Because, you know, you're just supposed to do that. Keep the battery warm. So your car starts after this is over. It's my first time going outside. I'm really not feeling it. Is that a cat, bro? What kind of evidence in this motherfucker? Man, I know whatever animal that was wasn't happy about that shit. Oh, this real snow, bro. I'm not feeling this. I will take this step. Oh, God. Bro, this is not... I'm not happy. Okay, the cat was under the... Okay, bro. So, yeah, I left water in here, in the car. That joint frozen. Hell no. Whose idea was this? Is this what global warming looks like?
I leave it easy breezy West Coast, so then please believe me. Sonically, I'm into hippie, like bombing up the levee. Sipping on this bitch, swinging, whipping on this switch. My song come on, they make this own DJ. Put the